Your dashboard in MyCast&Crew is your launchpad for all your most needed items. Let's take a tour around the dashboard so you can make the most of its useful features. In the top right corner, you'll see the App Selector button. This is your app switcher. Use this to navigate to Cast&Crew's digital products such as Hours Plus, Star Plus, Studio Plus, and etc. This button will follow you across all the different apps, allowing you to easily switch between them and return to the dashboard. Next to the App Selector button, you'll see your name. Click it to view some options. Account settings will take you to your Okta settings, where you can reset your password and update your personal information and security methods when signing in to MyCast&Crew and other applications. Click the back button on your browser to go back to the dashboard. My Profile will take you to your profile settings, where you can make updates to your personal information in the Cast&Crew system. To expand your knowledge with MyCast&Crew and other Cast&Crew digital products, click Product Training. Here you can register for live webinars or enroll in free courses via Edge On Demand. If you need help and require additional assistance, click on Help Center to quickly find answers to your questions, or select Contact Support to get in touch with support. Below the navigation tabs, which we'll cover in detail later in the video, you'll find interactive widgets that provide quick insights and data at a glance. Please note that the data available to you will vary depending on your payroll provider, role, and how long you've been in the system. For example, if you haven't created any Hours Plus time cards yet or don't use Hours Plus, you'll see an empty state message in the Recent Time Card section. Similarly, if you're paid through media services, you won't see any data under the Recent Time Cards or Recent Pay Stubs, and an empty state message will be shown instead. Let's see what's available. The Recent Time Card section allows you to view your recent time cards and their status for the projects you're working on. You can also create a new time card for your project directly from here using the Create button. The Recent Pay Stubs section shows your most recent pay stubs from Cast&Crew and CAPS across all projects. By default, the amounts are hidden. To view the amounts, you can use the toggle to show or hide them as needed. Your tasks are actions you can take to ensure that your account is fully set up and optimized. The Recent Offers section shows pending and approved offers you have recently completed. You can take action on any offers that are ready for you here. Your year-to-date pay will appear here after you receive your first paycheck from either Cast&Crew or CAPS. If you've been paid by both Cast&Crew and CAPS, the amounts will be shown separately for each payroll entity. It's important to note that the pay stubs and year-to-date amounts displayed on the dashboard will only reflect activity up to the previous day. For today's pay stubs and the most current data, you can view them in their respective tabs. Below this section, you'll find a list of frequently asked questions along with their answers, and you'll also have the option to get in touch with Cast&Crew for additional assistance if needed. Now let's scroll back to the top of the screen and go over the tabs that you have access to. Profile will take you to the same profile page that we saw earlier. Just to recap, this is where you can make updates to your personal information on file and sign up or edit your direct deposit. Files will only show if you have accepted a Star Plus offer. Here you can upload and store a collection of documents and files that you'll be using on current and future projects. Though you won't be able to select these documents to use on your time card, it can be helpful to return here when you're not sure what documents to use. You can also view your completed Star Plus offer packets here. Pay Stubs is where you can view all pay stubs paid through Cast&Crew, CAPS, and media services. Tax Documents is where you'll view and download your W-2s. If you're being paid as a loan-out employee, you can add the loan-out information under the Loan-Out tab. Once verified, you can also set up direct deposit for your connected loan-out. W-4s is where you can easily create a federal and state W-4. And if you need extra assistance, click the Support tab. With your MyCast&Crew dashboard, you can instantly access all your critical information through interactive widgets and real-time data as soon as you log in, keeping you informed and efficient in one centralized spot.